We're here in Costco, but we're still in the parking lot because the Costco opened at 10 o'clock. And what time now? 9:53 only in the morning. So we're waiting for Costco to open. So it's Monday morning over here. The weather is so nice, you know. So happy Monday morning to everyone, everywhere everywhere you are now. So yeah, maybe what can you say about another day? What can you say?
Inflation.
Yeah.
Everything expensive.
Everything expensive, guys. You know, before if you go to the store, your $100 is you have a lot of already to buy. But now your $100 is like $50 only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So mahirap. Kala nyo lang maganda sa Amerika. Pero mahirap din. You know? Pero tuloy lang ang buhay. You know? But here, it's nice. You know? Everybody is waiting in the car because they open at 10. Is it 10 o'clock or 10:30? Okay. Yeah. So,
Close.
going to buy some milk only. Pesto, and then that's it. Yeah. So see you inside, guys. See you. We're going inside na para mauna kami sa pila. Kasi may mga tao na dito, guys. So nag-aabang. Kasi gusto ko pumunta dito pag morning. Ayaw ko pumunta ng mga tanghali or hapon. Nako, siksikan. Ayaw ko makipagsiksikan, no? Gusto kong umaga para maaga din matapos. See, it's open, ha? Where's your card? Yeah, your card. So, nice. I'm going to get some milk only, guys. And then look at the TV here. Oh, 65. Hala, oh, 400 man. Samsung, oh, Samsung. What inches is this? Yeah, guys, look at the TV here, guys. Tingnan natin, ha? Wala, they have a sound bar na here, baby. Oh, Sony.
I have one already.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ay, look at, baby, look at the JBL. Oh, what is this? Like, ano?
Boombox to get to the park.
Ah, 500, baby.
It's good,
Even if it's this one lang, oh. Oh. That's okay na. $50,
Waterproof.
$50. Wow. Here, guys.
We got that.
Yeah, we have a sound bar already. What is that? Like a speaker too, no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like we have a party.
Take it to the Philippines.
Yeah, how much is that? $100 man.
Pajama, eh?
Sa pajama. I have a lot of pajama.
Look, America.
Yeah. Ah, yeah, that's nice. Oh,
Oh, you have?
yeah, I have a lot. Yeah, guys. Let's go to our... Hala, may Halloween na talaga dito, guys. So, Halloween na, oh. Guys, oh. This is a nice stand, oh, bebe. TV stand. May music eh. Copyright ako. Oh, may foam sila dito pala, oh. Mag-agorn. Guys. Ayan, may gourmet na sila. They have gourmet na, oh. Yeah. This is the one I want to buy. Yeah. Look, it's big, oh. This is a good brand. Because they run out. Yeah. They run out of ano and that $50. Yeah, I want to get this one next time.
What are you gonna do with the other one?
I still can do that one, but this one is easy when you put fish.
I don't like that one we bought.
When you put fish in this one, I like it. This one you can have everything. You know, this is very convenient. And Dr. Dwyer told me that it's better than frying. Yeah, and it's big. It's big. The guy told me that, oh, they ran out of stock because it's a good reviews. So I'm going to get that one.
You want to get it now? Okay, we're carrying more stuff than usual. Yeah. Best way to do it.
Yeah, but if we move, we don't have that anymore now. Yeah.
That's the one we got, right?
Yeah. See? We need to buy one on that TV.
That's the same one we got? Then?
Yeah, Ninja.
That thing is so...
That's expensive. 100. We bought that 100.
This one?
See? Oh, look. Oh. Somebody is buying here. Oh, one. I need to get that one, Bing Bing.
You want it now? Then get it now.
No. It's okay.
What you gonna...
Not this one. Not now. Let's go. Can put salmon here, chicken. Look. It's a good brand. Christmas na here. Oh, Christmas. That's nice. Christmas tree. That's so cute, guys. We're in the milk section. Yeah. We have meat, baby.
Yeah?
Still have meat there. Yeah. We have.
So the big one we have?
What's nice?
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know if they have here. I don't see anything. Wait. The bread. I hear. The small lang, baby. Yeah, that one, no?
$7.90?
Yeah.
Let me see the one.
Look at their pineapple here. Let's check my pineapple. I'm going to make a shake, guys. So that's my pineapple. Ay, this one. Sarap yung pineapple nila dito, guys. Matamis. Wait. I like here. It's morning. Ala, look at the fish, oh.
Farm raised.
Yeah.
Farm raised.
The salmon, oh.
These are all farm raised.
Yeah, that one, you can put that in the air fryer, anything. Huh?
But the one in what's the name of
All over?
Mango tree.
Ah.
Because it's fresh fish.
Oh, yeah.
It's not frozen.
Wait, what fish is this? May mahi? Ah, corvina pala to. Corvina. Oh, tuna.
The wild
Tuna. Yeah. It's tuna.
I never tried it.
Yeah. In the new year, you can buy that one.
Huh?
In the new year. Let's go. That's a lot, baby. You cannot finish that.
$13. No,
No.
that's
Avocado mash. Ano pa po ng pesto, guys? Pesto. Be, I'm looking for a pesto. Saan yun? Hanap ako ng pesto pasta, guys. Saan yun? Kita yung ano yun. guys. That's it. We go home na. Baby, I'm going to get your snacks here. Snack siya. Ay, ito. Ang dami yung snacks niya doon, guys. Ayan. Dito, guys. Tingin tayo dito. Ito. Yung snacks niya, guys. Yeah. That's it, guys. Guys, we're going home now. Buy only what is important, guys. We're going home now. Mamadali yung asawa ko. Pauwi na kami, guys. Tago ako sa ilalim ng kahon. Kasi ang init.